each slippers, and also we join it slippers together and screw it from the side. Then that's make more stronger. We need to do more for this side, and also we build a pull structure. That one need to be level, but we have to screw it to the concrete tomorrow. Also, we need one stairs front of the gate.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're...
Do the job. We try to make a stairs front of the gate, access to the one step to access on deck area, and also we done the irrigation pipe under the deck. After closing, we can't work there, and cover it all by wood mat. Then we try to install the border, and then going through to the site by doing the install the boards. So guys, as you can see, we install clips by screws to the joist, and then continue the next one. This one is cut it in the middle of the timber. The other one will following more there, and we cut it somewhere not exact on this line. So guys, as you can see, we installed the board on the top of the deck. We will working on the stairs and the sides. It's coming all through, and this is the last piece. Ta-da! Yeah, should we go more down to be same line? Yes. Then we screw at the end for these two, because the joint starts fixing inside. So guys, job's done. This is a deck, boarding in one side, and also the boarding on top. If we're going through, also this is a step down, and this is a side. You can see two border in there, and then we cover under by the underlay, soil and turf. We'll cover it up to the bottom side line. So guys, as you can see, the water from the last night raining, it collected on some part of the deck and make it wet. But as you can see, it's not changing the color. If it was merbau, it's showing the line of the water on top of it. The oil comes up and make a mess on top of the merbau deck. That's why I don't suggest the merbau in the open area. It has to be covered. And also I'm a fan of this deck because it's recycled plastic and it's a composite, long life, and it's a bit expensive, but it looks good and no maintenance at all. You don't need to do any maintenance, just wash it and broom on top or blow it, move the rubbish, it'll be clean.